how to follow and contact my teacher on Skillshare. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can follow and contact your teacher on Skillshare. So the first step is to launch the Skillshare application, just like I've done here. And then in order to follow your teacher, you have to navigate to the class where your teacher is the instructor. So for me, I'll be selecting the logo AI design class. And so once you've navigated to the class, all you need to do is to scroll down until you can see the follow button next to your teacher's name on the class page. As you can see, my teacher's name for this particular class is Derek Michelle, and then I can see the follow button. You just click on the option, the follow button, and then just like that you will be able to follow them. And then once you follow them, you would receive notifications about their new classes and updates. And then in order to contact your teacher, you can easily contact your teacher by starting up a discussion. All right, so each class has a discussion session, as you can see on my screen. So just go to the discussion session, and then after going to the discussion session, in order for you to contact the teacher, you can see that the teacher already made a post. So just go ahead, click on the comment icon, and then go ahead and ask whatever question that you would like to ask. All right. For example, I just sent a message I, and then a response will be sent to me eventually. So this is it. Even other students can also respond to this question. So this is how you can contact your teacher and how you can follow your teacher on Skillshare. Very, very simple. Ensure you try this out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.